Back to another episode of Sunday Funday where we review our M1 Finance Growth Portfolio Spreadsheet. We decided to take the FANG approach with the addition of Berkshire Hathaway. As none of these stocks pay dividends, we will not have to worry about paying any taxes until we sell the shares. So for the month of October, we were able to add $50 as our wellness credit. We got paid twice, so that's 2 times 25. And we were able to add a little bit of all five stocks, and we are currently up $109.08. Which that may not seem like a lot, but we have only invested a total of $684, and it's currently worth $768. So that's a pretty good return on money that we were just given to our work, basically for going for a wellness visit. I decided this year to take that $25 every paycheck and invest it into some stocks to see if I could make that free money make me some money. So far we're up $109. And this is a pretty neat little account too, because even though you don't have a lot of money, you can use M1 Finance and you can buy fractional shares of really expensive stocks. Like I have some Amazon here. I technically only have 4/100ths of a share, but you can still make money on it. So we're up $9.74. So you just deposit your money, M1 Finance breaks it up into whatever funds you want to put your money into, and it purchases it every day, Monday through Friday at 9:30 a.m. So whatever the price is, it really takes a lot of the thinking and second guessing of, do you want to pay that much for a stock? If you just put it on auto invest, it just buys it at whatever price it's at. So more than likely, if I had to sit there and say I wanted to pay this much for this stock, I probably would have never purchased any of these. And the neat thing is you kind of just dollar cost average is what it's called. So you can see the range of Facebook. I was able to purchase it when I first put it in at $173, and you see it's gone all the way up to almost $300 at one point. Same thing, I got some Amazon for $2,300, which was a steal of a deal back then. But as you can see, it's been all the way up to like $3,400 right here. Netflix is probably the one that goes up and down the most, it seems like. There's usually like $100 swing in that. But if you don't have a regular traditional investing account, you can use M1 Finance, and it kind of puts your investing on autopilot. You can set up reoccurring deposits, which it'll just automatically invest as you want it to. And you really don't have to do anything but set up the account, set where your what percentage of money to put in each investment, and then M1 Finance will automatically invest the money for you. If you think you want to do that, you can use our link down in the description below to get $10 free from M1 Finance. It is an affiliate link, so we do get compensated if you do use it, but it's not at any extra cost to you. But the link is in the description down below. Also down there, I have included some investing books I've read this year and last year. So if you want to check those out on Amazon, you can get the Audible version, or you can purchase it from Amazon. Those are also affiliate links, so we do get compensated, but it's at no extra cost to you. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give us a thumbs up. Also, if you want to see more investing videos, you can click one of the videos on the screen or over in the sidebar. Thanks for watching.